Google Web Designer Tutorial and Review. Looking for a free tool to create interactive ads and animations? Let's explore Google Web Designer. Google Web Designer is a free application for building HTML5 ads, banners, and interactive content. It offers drag and drop designs, animation timelines, responsive layouts, and integration with Google Ads. Start a new project, insert assets, animate with keyframes, add events, then preview and publish. The pros would be it's free, powerful for ads, it has a responsive design. The cons would be limited for full websites and a learning curve. Google Web Designer is perfect for marketers and designers who need interactive ads and animations. And that is our Google Web Designer tutorial and review.